Hello everyone, in this video we will gonna see about how you can change cpanel user password. Like we are doing a cpanel playlist, so we will be uploading everything about cpanel management and changing password, etc., and changing WordPress and other CMS passwords and database changes. Everything about cpanel will be uploading in this playlist. So let's get started. So imagine you don't remember your password, or you forget your password, but you remember your user or email. And that's the basic thing. You always remember user but not remembering the password. So you come here and the password keeps failing. So what you're gonna do is just reset your password, enter your username here, then reset. So here you will put your email and click on send security code. So I'm gonna put my email here. So I'm gonna skip this through and send the security code, and then I'll resume the video. Okay, so I just enter my email and click on the send. So here's the page. So they send a security code in my email, so I will check that and put it through. Okay, here it is in my email. So I got my security code here. Okay, I'll just copy. Sorry. Okay, I'll just copy this one. Okay, I just copy it, and there's some warning about you can change your disable your cPanel account password, etc., etc. The administrator, they are ensuring the administrator, the admin is use this link for resetting the password. Okay, then I use submit. Okay, so you have successfully verified your identity. You may set any password below. Okay, so you can change your passwords now. Okay, you can just see here and change, or you can hide it and change. So we're going to change the password. Okay, it's a strong password. Okay, password strength is this password has strength of 85. Okay, so it's a pretty high. So I put the same password here and set password. Okay, so the password has been changed. Log into your cPanel. Okay, so I put my password here and login. So login successfully. So here you can change your password. If you forget your password of cPanel, there you can change your password. So there are other method of changing password is in the cPanel, and go to the bottom of the page, then you'll find password and security. It's inside the cPanel. In case you know the password but you want to change the password. Okay, here's the new password. Here is the old password automatically put it, and you will input a new password, a new password again, confirmation. And I suggest a password strength will be good for 80, above 80% will be good, and change the password. Okay, there are two methods, but I think basically most important part is the first method. Basically when you forgot the password, and this one is for uh, changing the password when you know everything but you want to change the password for security reasons. Okay, that's it for today's video. Stay tuned with Tech Vibes. So we'll come to the next video about more security issue on cPanels and cPanel management.